In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Calendly on WordPress. We'll take your Calendly scheduling page and place it directly inside a WordPress post or page so visitors can book without leaving your site. Start in your Calendly dashboard and locate the event type you want to share. Next to that event, open the three dots menu. That's the options menu for the selected form, and it's where Calendly keeps sharing and embed tools. From that menu, choose Add to Website. Calendly will open a panel with different ways to place your scheduler on a site. For this walkthrough, select Inline Embed. Inline means the full calendar appears right inside your content, which is great for a dedicated booking or contact page. You won't need a pop-up or a floating button. The scheduler simply lives in the page layout. Calendly then shows a snippet of code tailored to your event. Click Copy Code. This copies everything you need, including the script and the inline widget container, so you don't have to write or modify anything yourself. Keep that on your clipboard. Now switch over to your WordPress site and open the page or post where you want the scheduler to appear. Place your cursor in the exact spot in the content where you want the calendar to show. Click the plus icon to add a new block. In the block search field, type embed to narrow the options. From the list, choose custom HTML. This is important because Calendly provides script-based HTML. The custom HTML block accepts that directly, whereas some other embed blocks are limited to simple URLs. Make sure you're editing the HTML field of that block so you're pasting into the code area, not the visual content area. With the field active, paste the Calendly code you copied earlier. You'll see the code appear in the block. If you want the calendar to appear taller or shorter in your layout, you can adjust the height value inside the style attribute before saving, but in most cases, the default works well. When everything looks good, click Update to save your page. That publishes the changes so your Calendly scheduler is now live on the site. If your theme uses caching or a content delivery network, the embed might take a moment to appear for visitors. Also, if your page uses narrow columns, consider placing the block in a wider section to give the calendar room to breathe. With that, you've embedded your Calendly inline on WordPress, making it easier than ever for visitors to book time with you directly on your site.